We know, let me open the Power BI. Okay, we are in Power BI. So all the Power BI part, like whatever the Power BI part we have, all the visualizations we have completed. And we are ahead to learn the major project, right guys? I think, yeah. I think we didn't completed the major project, if I'm right, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we
We have
come, yeah.
completed.
Yes, we completed remaining all the visualizations. Now we are about to complete the major project. Okay, so first of all, let me get that particular data. What we are working daily here. Superstore data is there, no? So and so some superstore data. So let me add the data here. Okay, let me add that data here. Let me load, and the data will be added here. Okay, so now I'm going to do the major project in front of you, but I think this UI won't find. I mean, the screen is very small. Just give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. I will shift to the big screen. So, yeah, so done. Okay, I hope you can see the screen, everyone. Yeah, okay. So major project, rename major, major project. Okay, we are going to learn the major project. First of all, we have added the data file. So, okay, you added the data, everything is fine. But here the query is, in this major project, what insights that you want to report to the client? Okay, what insights from the data you want to report to the client? So, properly a detailed thing I will be giving you. Okay, a detailed information I will be giving you, and I will also tell you, like, I will guide you how to publish the project in the Power BI community. Okay, I will also guide you like how to publish this particular project. So in these data, what I want to tell, end of the day, okay, a lot of visualizations we have done, a lot of visualizations we have done, and okay, fine. Like, now I want to, at the end of the day, I want to report to the client. So a summary, like a brief overview, I want to report to the client. So what I want to report to him is, what I want to report to me is, let's say I want to explain him clearly. So in the 2011, in the 2011, from the 2011 to from the 2011. See, first of all, we need to note down. Then it will be very, because we have done lot of analysis, lot of visualizations we have done. We know the complete data now. We know the complete data. So what I want to report him is from 2011. So 2011 to 2014. Total 4 years data we have. 2014. From 2011 to 2014, I want like from 2011 to 2014, what I want to explain to the client is each subcategory product, like whatever the product they are buying. Mainly, we need to focus on the product only. Each product, I mean each subcategory, how many sales are going? How many sales are going in each region? In each region, in that which from which region the sales are more? From which region the sales are more? From which region the sales are more? And in that particular region, what are the states included? What are the states included? Next, point number two. So I'm writing shortcut. Point number two. In that state, in that state, so whether the profits are coming from consumer, okay, I mean how much profit, how many sales are coming from consumer, corporate, and home office, and home offices people. From them, how we are getting, and how the profits also, like how the profits are varying, how the profits are varying. Next one. Next one, what I want to find out is that one. So do consumers, let's target one, because mostly in my few visualizations we have done, no, most of the profits and sales are coming from consumers. Okay, consumers only. So these consumers are making very good report, very good sales and profits they are making. Okay, profits they are making. So what I want is like, to all the states, okay, to all the states consumers are working good, or in which states the consumers are very delay, like the lag, or in which states the consumers are not performing well, in which states the consumers are making very less sales and less profits. That information also I want to show for them. And not only here, explain each and everything in quarter wise. Okay, in the quarter wise I need to explain them, in the month wise I need to explain them, and in the day wise I need to explain them clearly. So finally, a lot of information I need to do. So whenever you want to do any kind of a very big project, any big project or anything that you want to do, you need to keep only one thing in mind. You need to keep only one thing in mind. So what is that? What is that is maintain big screens. Like I'm using currently monitor. So if you use the laptop screen, visualizations can't fit in that. Okay. So I have the data file. I have the data. So first of all, let's see one by one. Let's see first one by one. So from the 2011 to 2014, 2011 to 2014, each subcategory, how many sales are going on from each region, and region wise also how many sales, and what are the states that are included in the region. So first of all, what I will do is I will take the region. First of all, I will take the region. Okay. I will take the region, and in each region, what are the states included? First, one by one will come. Each region, what are the states included? Okay, first let me take this pie chart. Let me take this pie chart. Let me take this pie chart or donut chart, which is easy to represent. I'm going to take the donut chart. So in this donut chart, what I'm going to tell is, in this donut chart, what I'm going to do is I will give the states here. I will give the states. Okay. Each state, how many sales, clearly I will mention here. In the donut chart, let me increase. See, each state, you can see here, each state, how many sales are going. I represented. You will ask me, sir, it looks really weird, like a lot of state names are not visible, but we'll explain each state wise, right? So I will select the thing. So that's not an issue. So I will go to the makeup area. In the makeup area, this is fine. Text is also fine. Title is also fine. So no worries that. Slicer is also fine. Data label. So everything is fine. I'm very done with. I'm very good with the pie chart. I mean the donut chart, colors and everything. If you want to change the color, go to the slicer. You can change whatever the color that you want. Okay. Second one is okay. Second one is what I will do is I will use this slicer. Okay. What I will do is I will use this slicer. I will use the slicer and I will keep it here, and I am going to give the regions there. I'm going to give the regions. 4 regions I will give. Okay. 4 regions I will give. 4 regions. So why this dropout? Only 4 are there. No, can't you make it like a title view? Can't you make it like a title view? So I already told you. So see, click on it. Go to the visualization area, slicer settings. Instead of vertical list, make it title. So pretty good. So it's a very pretty good. Pretty. So each region I mentioned here. So now see, the beauty is, for example, if I click on the central, only central states will come here. If I click on the south, only south related states are going to highlight here. So that's why I'm making this connectivity, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Now here also, I will not represent this values guys. Why? Because go to the area. Data labels, please off the data labels. Only circle I need. Only circle. Because south I click means south related states, like based on the color, the states I can pick clearly. If I click on the west, based on the colors, I can pick the states. I can pick the states. And you can ask me, sir, then how can you show their sales and profit, Kamal? How can you show the sales and profit? So what I will do is I will take the number card. I will take the number card and I'm going to keep it here. Okay. Where I will give the sum of sales. Where I will give the sum of sales. And this one, go to here, caret value, little bit increase value, fine. Change the font to any font which you like, mainly. Any font which you like. And if you want to represent them with any other color, you can change the color. With any other color, you can change the color. And also change them to thousands. See, change them to thousands and the values are not visible for you. So let decrease the size. See, let me decrease the size to 30. And let me also decrease these values because a lot of things we have to do. Bold them. Instead of that, bold them. And then decrease the size. It will be much more easy to visualize the data. Okay. Next, this text is there, no? Label, like whatever the text. I will increase the size and I will change the font to my favorite font and I will bold them if needed. See, I'm going to bold them. These are the sales. Sales value is represented. Again, I will take a new one. I'm going to keep it here. I'm going to keep it here. See, exactly there. There, what I'm going to do? I'm going to give the profits. I'm going to give the profit. So let me give the profits there. Same as usual, I will work. What I will do? Come here. Go to see. Sometimes you will do one mistake, sir. Whatever the value sizes, the text sizes I am doing on the sales, I just forgot it. Again, I come back here. I need to go. I need to check. So instead of that, you do one thing. Click on this one, existing one. Copy that visualization. Copy the visualization. Somewhere you paste it here. Wherever there is a white area, you paste it here. Okay. Somewhere you paste and drag it to here. See, drag it to here. In this one, the newly copied one, remove it and give the profit. Simple. See, same color, same text, everything is same. Okay, profit. Sum of sales, sum of profit. And same thing, you can copy it one more. What is that one? I will keep it here. Okay, I will keep it here. What I will do? Decrease the size. I need to, we need to spend some time. Just need to have patience. So here, I will even pass the discounts also, or else like quantity you pass, how many they are buying. Okay, total 38K quantity, 38,000 products are selling. total in America, 38,000 products are selling. 2 lakh, this many sales are going on. This much profits they are getting. We can select the region wise. In the east area, these are the states that comes under east area, and in the east area, these are the states. In this total states, this many quantity of the products are going on. This much profit I got and this much sales I got. This much profit I got and this much sales I got. And you can see here already we know there is no need of this text in my like sum of sales by state. Why? Why that one? Tell me. So of the title. So not this title. I think this is state. Okay. The legend. Is there any possibility? This also belongs to right side. This also belongs to the legend only. Slices, in the slices, spacing no need, data labels, rotation. Okay, that option is not there. If I off the legend, it will off. If I on it, it cannot. Okay, no worries. Cool. Come back. Okay. Okay. Close it. Come back. I will do a lot of things. Don't worry in that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, sir, here regions are there, here state is there. In each region, what states are included you are finding from here, and the represented value you are going to explain from here. The represented value you are going to explain from here. That is fine. That is really, really fine. So here the point is, here the point is, what I need is, each state how can I select? Each state how can I select, sir? Is it possible to select the state? What are the states that comes under the region you mentioned here? But if I want to select a particular state, but if I want a particular state to target, particular state, then what I can do? Okay, what I can do. So two things at a time I will give. A small slicer I will give. A small slicer I will give. I will just keep a shortcut. A small portion only I will give. I will not waste that one. A small portion I will give. You can ask me, sir, from here you can say, no. This visualization is only to show the states. But if I want to target a specific statements, I will give the states there. Simple. I will give the states. And here also I will go to visualization area. This one I will like a drop down I will make. I'll make them drop down. Okay, I will make something like drop down, or else I can make the drop down here. I can make the drop down here. Okay, suppose if any client asks in the central area, these are the states included. In this state, tell me about Texas means I'll click here. I will go down. I'll click on the Texas. Okay, I'll click on the Texas area. So this also I can do. So from till here it is fine. Now one more point. One more point here is consumer, corporate, and home offices. How they are behaving? How they are behaving with respect to the sales and with respect to the profit. With respect to the sales and with respect to the profit. So how can I explain that? So for that purpose, what I will do? For that purpose, what I am going to use. So when the consumers, see here the question is, when the consumers, literally when the consumers, corporate and home offices, see the logic here is, in each region some states are there. In each state sales are there, profits are there, the number of quantity of the products that is going to sell, that is also available. That is also available. Here my point is, in each state you are getting the sales, you are getting the profit, everything is fine. You are getting the sales and you are getting the profit, everything is fine. But in the state, in that particular state, how the consumers are making the sales and how the consumers are making the profit, that we need. That we need. Okay. So there is no need of representing the bars or anything. So for them, what I will do is simply, I will do one logic for them. What is? Simply I will select the bar. Simply I will select the bar charts. Because in that I can do 2 to 3 representations at a time. Okay, I will select the bar chart. I'm going to keep it here side by side. So I'm going to increase the size little bit. Okay, little bit I'm going to increase. Okay. So with that, what you're going to do, sir? Okay. With that, what you're going to use? Okay. So with that, what you are going to use is, so here what I will do is, I will give the segment. Okay. So two things at a time we can give now. For that, the segment, let's pass the sale. Okay. Let's pass the sale. You are getting the bar. You are getting the bar. Even this also you can select like this, but let's represent. Let's represent, okay, each bar. Each consumer, corporate, and home offices based on the sales how they are performing. Or you do one thing, you just convert like this. I'm just going to convert to clustered column chart. Clustered column chart. So in that what I will do is, see, very simply I will tell you, in that consumer, corporate, and home offices, their sales I am representing in the left side Y. Left side Y I am representing their sales in thousand. See, their sum of sales. Okay, and the right side I will represent the profit. Right side I will represent the profit. Two things at a time. Two things at a time. See, two things at a time I will represent. So consumers total how many sales they are doing, total how much profits they are getting. Okay, and in that also consumers in which category they are getting. In the technology category, how many sales they are getting. In the technology category, how much things they are getting. That also I can represent. Those things also I can represent. So here I will pass the legend. What I will pass? I will pass the category. I will pass the category. Like, see, beautiful. Okay, simply but beautiful. So here I will work on this visualization. Here I will work on this visualization. Okay, see here. Go to here. So here, let's focus a little bit on the legend. Legend, I want to make it top center. Okay. The text, everything is fine because I don't want to change because it is visible for me. If you want to change, you just spend some time on the graphics. So let's just change it to Vardhana. Okay, Vardhana. Okay. All the things like markers means we can adjust on the markers or else change the line color. Okay. Line color, see markers I'm adding. And even you can represent the data labels. Okay, the data labels properly. And also not only data labels, you can on the title. See, perfectly you can on the title. Perfectly, very good. Okay, see here, consumer, consumer total in the how many furnitures the consumers are buying, how many home related office related things they are buying, how many technology related products they are buying. I mean, how many sales are going total out of these three, how much profits you are getting. Out of these three, how much profits you are getting. Okay, in the segment corporate people also, how many furnitures, how many office related things, how many technology related things they are buying, and total how much profit you are getting. Total how much profit individually, how much profit means also you can find out. You just need to click on it. Okay, clearly I mentioned in one visualization. I just mentioned in one visualization. If these values are not visible, go to the makeup area, go to the data labels, values, little bit increase the value. Okay, you just bold them if needed. Simple. Okay. Now the question here is, okay, till here fine, sir. What next? Okay. What next? What next is nothing but, I will take the line chart. Okay. I will take the line chart or I will take the area chart. Okay, sir, with this area chart, what you are going to do? With this area chart, what you are going to do? So in this area chart, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to represent order date wise. So in every year, or else like we can do one thing, something like if I pass total at a time. If I pass total at a time, okay, year wise, this thing, year wise, how they're performing the sales, how they're performing the sales, year wise, quarter wise if you need this. But selection is not so good here. The selection is not so good. So what I will do is, I will do one more operation. I will do one more operation. What operation you want to figure, sir? Like, what operation you want to figure? See, for example, these things won't make any sense. Like, they are not helpful. That's why I'm not using. See, for example, this is okay. um this is our scripting purpose. This don't need. So don't use this one, I will tell you. So what I will do is, now I'm going to do one thing. First of all, let me tell you the funnel chat. I will take the funnel chat and I will keep it here. Okay, I will keep it here. In this funnel chat, I will pass all the subcategories. All the subcategories, how many sales or profit. Because related remaining things I can get from here. You can drag this one, you can keep it here. You can drag this one little bit and you can keep it here. So see, you can manage like whatever you want to do, you can do it here. Yeah. So region states I'm giving here. Subcategory I'm going and I'm keeping. Okay. Okay. Lot of things like you can spend any time and you can spend time and you can do a lot of things here. So on the subcategories, if you want to spend some time, color you want to do any color you want to give, you can give the color. We can do like values are there, sir. Change the font. You can change the font. You can bold them if needed. You can make it a data inside center or outside center. You can make it inside center, but you need to reduce the values. You need to reduce the values, I think. Okay, why it is? If I remove it, if I change to normal font, I think they will come inside. Should come inside. No, so the visualizations due to the size. Data values, percentage. No, only data values are enough. Data values outside and or inside center. I want it inside center. Yeah, see, like based on the visualization, the values will come. I mean the visualization size. Okay, visualization size. So let me reduce. So let me reduce to 8. Okay, let me reduce to 8. Okay, I don't want to change anything, but this is there. No, like the text is there. No, conversation. This data labels. I can change this one if I'm not wrong. See, I can change the value. This now it looks good. Okay. So now I have category, I have subcategory, I have from each segment of people, and I have the state, I have the region I'm having, I have the state here. Each region, how many states are there coming here? Quantity, profit, and sales. I just need only one thing, that is, I just need only one thing, that is stay the year, like 2011, 2012, and there. And what I want is I want something like year, month, everything. Okay, I want year, month, everything I want. So I will take now I will select, now I will select like line chart. I will select like line chart. Okay, here what I will do is I will select the line chart. I'm going to fix the issue here. This I will keep it here. Okay, I will keep it like this here. Okay. You just need to arrange, you need to take time and you need to arrange the things. Okay, so for this one what I will do is, first of all, year wise. Okay, first year wise, just give the sales. Okay, year wise, then quarter wise. Okay, then month wise. Okay, then day wise. Okay, then day wise. So some bar kind of thing is coming here. Go to here. In the x-axis it's a continuous data. In range, come down. The lines are there. No lines, color for more effective purpose, I will use this color. Let's say this color is good for the line charts. Okay, or else light color, some kind of light color also will be fine. Okay, will be fine. Okay, so now you can ask me the instead of showing all like this at a time, like this, what you can do is, okay, you do one thing. Only year wise I will pick here, sir. Only year wise I will pick it here. Day wise, monthly wise, if you want to pick, sir, you can give another one. Let's say here, like, see, anyhow you need to represent the data. It might be like anyway. You can take one more slicer if I want. You can take one more drag and drops. So here I will keep it here. Okay, here I will keep it here. Okay, so here what I will do, I will give quarter. 4 quarters are there. Okay, 4 quarters are there. If I pass month also, so see, hierarchical I am passing. Okay, then in the day also I will pass, and year also I will pass here on the top. So at a time in the 2011, Quarter 1, Quarter 2. In each quarter, each month. In this month, 1 to 30. Clearly, I have created. In the slicer, I have created. So where we will keep this one to make it very, very highlight. Okay. Where we'll keep this is, we'll just minimize this one. Okay. We'll minimize this one. Okay. Okay. We'll minimize this one. Come here. We need to adjust the sizes. We need to adjust the sizes. Okay. Come. Make it slight downwards little bit. See, you need to minimize the sizes. Okay. Yeah. This also. I think this should be big because bars are there, no? But this is fine. Let me take it here. Let me keep it here. And now I think this is good. Okay. Now this is good. So any makeup you want, you can go here. Slicer settings. You need a drop down. Okay. Or you need vertical list. You can find out. So if you want to add any visualization, let's say, sir, why this much area here? Why this much area? So you do one thing. You just minimize it. You keep it somewhere here. You just convert to drop down. You just scroll down. Okay. You just scroll down and you keep it here. You just keep it here. Simple. Okay. You just keep it here. Now you can select like in the 2011 quarter wise, you can select and you can explain them. Okay. You can explain them. So this is for quarter wise or year wise or whatever it might be. I'm keeping here. But here, a sum of quantity also it is clearly showing. So no issues in that. Now next one. Here some area is available. Here some area is available. So to make it very, very easy, I will do one more thing. I will take the tree map here. I will take the tree map. I will just give category. I will just give the category and the sales. Why, sir? Why you are targeting category here? Because see what happens. Not here, not here. So I'm just going to pass category and sales. I'm going to target. See, I'm going to target. Why, sir? Why you're targeting only this one? Because see, obviously, if the sales are more, the profits will be more. Obviously, if the sales are more, the profits will be more. That we know very well. So, in which category the sales are more? In the technology related things, or furniture related things, or office related things? Which one is more? With that, the related subcategories we can find out everything. So this is the final major project I have done. Now I will be telling you one by one question. One by one. Okay, I will be picking up one by one question. Point number one. Okay, point number one. Which states, what are the states that comes under West area? Go to there. What are the states that comes under West area? See. So these are the states: California, Washington. You can see here some names: Nevada, Montana. These are the states that comes under. These are the states that comes under West area. Okay. In the West area, California is the. These many things are there. Okay. In the West area, these are the states. In this, the client is asking you, Kamal, please explain me. In the California, like what product is selling more? In the California, what product? I mean, what category what products? What category products are selling more? So California. So what I will do? He is asking. See, you selected West. So in the states only, West related things only will be showing you. I'm telling you. So West related states. So I want California. I'm selecting California. Okay. So in the California, technology, supermarket, furniture, three are there. Okay. In this, see, I'm selecting West area. I'm selecting West area. In that, okay. So in the West area, I'm selecting California state. In the California state, what kind of product is going more? What kind of product is going more? Do the technology, do the furniture, or do the office supplies? So which one? Which one is going more? Which one is going more? So see, you can see here technology is going high, here coming down, here coming down. But individual I don't want, I want overall. No? So what I will do, I will click here, I will go here, okay, I will data labels on. Data labels on. Now see, in the West area, in the California state, the technology is making highest. Second highest is furniture. Third highest is office supplies. They will ask me, Kamal, explain me in the year 2012. So what I will do in the year 2012. In the year 2012, in the West area, in the California, so these are the sales that is going on for furniture, technology, and office supplies. And okay, here furniture is going more. No, what are the subcategories that are coming for? What are the subcategories that is coming for the furniture? So what I will do here, I'll click on the furniture. So chairs, you can see bookcases, you can see applicants, furnishings. So these are the things which comes under furniture. Okay, and you can see here their particular quantity, how many they are going, there is how many sales are going, how much profits are getting in that particular state. In that particular state, clearly mentioning, and how many profits I'm getting from consumer, and how many profits I'm getting from corporate, and how many profits you are getting from the home office people. Okay, come back. Come back. I don't want West area. I don't want any area here. So this is the overall data. Okay. Now year wise, if they ask you, for example, year wise they ask you. So this is the original visualization. This is the original report. Final report is this one. So this is the final report. Go to the view option, fit to view, fit to the width. Okay. This is the original view. So here, let me show you one more thing. Okay. Let me go to the view, fit to the width or fit to the actual size or fit to the page. This one. Anything, you can increase the size if you want. Okay, now first of all, to make it very effective, I will change the font. Okay, like this is what you will see in the internet every time. Okay, mobile layout. Okay, come back, page view, fit to the width. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you, or else you can keep it. See, now it is much more very good to understand. Okay, the theme is very good. Now see, in the year 22, one by one, how we will be explaining to the client, year by year we are going to explain. In the 2011, so when we start our business in the 2011, in the first quarter, mainly in the first quarter, this is the stats. We'll keep the report, we'll write everything, and we'll keep the report. Like, we'll create the documentation, so directly not with the mouth we will explain here. So in the 2011, in the quarter one, in the first quarter, so in the first quarter, January, February, March. So in the January, how the report is, in the February, how it is, in the March, how it is. Okay. Now, next, not quarter one, target quarter two. In the quarter two, how the April, how the May, how the June. Okay, everything. Next, in the quarter three. In the quarter three, how much? In the quarter four, how they are performing. When compared to 2011, how the 2012 is. Okay, in the 2012, in the quarter three, how the performance is, and how many profits I'm getting from consumers, corporate, and home offices, which states are making more money, which states are making very less money, what kind of products are making very high sales, what kind of products are making very less sales. Okay, so a detailed report year wise. So lastly, I will tell, in the 2014, see, these many sales are going in the 2014, these many sales, these many profits I am getting. Okay, and in the 2014, these many sales, this many profit. Okay, tell me, in the central area, how many are going? In the central area, these are the states that are included. So each state I will explain one by one. For example, first I will go with Texas. So in the Texas, see, in the central area, in the Texas, consumers are making how much profit. Okay, based on the consumers, how much profit I am getting. Based on the corporate, how much profits I am getting. Based on the home offices, how much profits I am getting. Okay, and each subcategory. So consumers, how much they are doing in the furnitures. Consumers, how much they are doing in the office supplies. So a clear report we will be explaining to the client in front of him. So this is how you need to build the end-to-end dashboard. You need to build the end-to-end dashboard. a clear overview and clear explanation. You need to take a lot of time. Like not only visualization is not so, it's not a big point here, not the visualization. So the big point is how you create the documentation. Okay, like whatever you are going to explain to the client clearly, first you need to report it like in the 2011, because you can't directly do the visualization, you can't implement everything, no. So one by one, so in the 2011 what you want to explain, so you need to come here, you will explain in the 2011, so answer, so answer, so answer, will explain. Next in the 2012, next in the 2013, 2014, a clear report along with these graphs you need to explain. You can change the theme whatever you want. For example, if you want this one, you can select this theme. That is what you see in the internet. If you go to the internet, if you see the Power BI dashboards, if you see the Power BI dashboards here, okay, if you go to the images, if you see the Power BI dashboard, see, so different color patterns will come. That means like they are following some themes. They're following the themes. See, same bars, same thing they will do. Okay. So which theme you want? Mainly, I love this one. I love black, so I will go with this one. Okay. So this is the final end-to-end project. Detailed information. And you can ask me, sir, all these things we have done individually. Same thing, you put it in one thing, that is dashboard. Now, one question you can ask me. Finally, what you will say with this data? So take a notebook. Okay. In the 21, you need to note down that why the data analyst job is so time taking process in the 2011. Okay. In the quarter one, in the 3 months, note down all the things. From the quarter one to quarter two, how it changes, note down. Quarter three, how it changes. Quarter four, how it changes. See, quarter four, it's very blank, waste. Okay, why this has happened? In the quarter three, which product is coming down? See, all the sales are going down. Okay, how it is in the 2012? Make a documentation. Go to the Word, open this Excel. Word will be there, no Word, I think Word doc. So go there, year wise, year wise, year wise. You need to make the documentation. So this is the report. If you have the patience, you can write the documentation what you created, and you can explain to them. You can literally explain everything to them. Okay. So this is completely about, see, for example, I want only 2013. Click on 2013 here. Say 2013, all the information in the 2013 will come. Okay. So this is completely end-to-end major project, guys. If you have any queries, you can ask me till here. In the visualization part, end-to-end in the visualization in the Power BI. And this visualization is doing in front of the client is easy. Anyone can do it, drag and drop. You need to explain. How can you explain? When you have the documentation. Documentation means what? I will clearly prepare. How I will prepare? In the 2011, in the 2011. Okay. So in the quarter one, which means first 3 months. In the quarter one, okay, consumers how many we are getting, corporates how many we are getting, each state how we are getting. So that I will compare with the 2012, and I will tell the client, sir, this is 2011 report, but when coming to 2012, this is the report. So the report what you have created, I mean the entire reports what you create, you need to show the manual or documentation, and you need to explain him with the visualization. Both you need to do. Okay, you need to create the documentation. Next, I'm going to give the project for you. Let's see how many will do the documentations. Because no one will sit in front of you for the visualization. Because see, if I sit in front of the visualization, you will say me, sir, in the east, these are the states are there. Okay, in the east, these are the states. So if I go to the internet also, internet will tell me in the east how many states are there, what are the states. Not about visualization, it's about the understanding and explaining to the client with the documentation. Each year, each month, what happened, how when compared to 2011, 2012, how it is grown, which product. See, in the 2011, mobile phones are making high. Do in the 2012 also making high? If high means how much? If low means how much? Like this kind of thing you can't mention here. You can just do it in the Word. So you need to go to Word. So like we need to open the Word. Here you need to create the documentation. So clearly you need to
Excuse me, sir.
open.
Excuse me.
Yes,
So
yes.
this complete visualization is a dashboard.
This is dashboard.
Okay.
Okay. Here, this is the Excel. This is the visualization dashboard. Here you need to build the report, the entire complete end-to-end report, a report and visualization dashboard. So that is what Power BI. Any queries still here, guys? All of you? Just now, funny, Kilavini. I mean, lot of people.
Yes, sir. No doubts, sir.
Okay. So now a lot of people will ask me, sir, okay, we have done the project. So how to publish? I don't know, few people are very excited to publish this project. I mean, a lot of people are very interested in publishing. See, here millions are there. Please change this one. Here millions, but in the y-axis, we need to thousands. Okay, mistake should be not there. Okay, how to publish? Guys, one thing I'm telling you, if you want to publish, see, this project I want to publish, okay, you can publish. But if you publish, where it will go? Tell me. If you publish this project, where it will go? It will go to the Power BI community. Okay, it will go to the, just give me a minute, guys. This current is torturing me. Give me a minute, guys. Okay.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Oh, sorry. So when we publish this project, when we publish this project will be submitted to Power BI community. Okay, it will be submitted to the Power BI community. Like if you click on publish here, so it will come and it will be available here. Lot of people will be publishing. It will come and it will save here so that you can share the link. So if you share the link with anyone, this link automatically they can see. Automatically they can see your automatically they can see your project. But here the question is, first click on the save. First you need to save the work. First you need to save the work. Clicking on it, I don't know what is the class, what class it is, just check. Guys, how many of you have awareness of like domain mail? Have any idea about the domain mail? Hmm?
Yes, sir, add a little bit of knowledge. It provides some space for us and which is able to publish our project.
No, no, no. What I am asking is domain mail. What is the meaning of domain mail? So domain mail here is, okay. So domain mail is nothing but your company, I mean your company mail. Okay, for example, let's say if you have, I am working in a company called, let's say, for example, Zest IoT. Okay, my mail will be Kamal @ zestiot.io. Okay, .io. Okay, for example, if you're working in a Google, Kamal @gmail.com. their domain mail. For example, let's say if I am working in Vihara Tech means, so Kamal at the rate viharatech.com. So domain mails. If you want to publish, if you want to publish the Power BI project to the community, you need to use the domain mails only. That is the biggest drawback in the Power BI. That is the biggest drawback in Power BI. Okay. So for example here, if I type my personal mail, like Sai Kamal 9797 at the rate gmail.com. gmail.com. Okay. So my personal mail, if I click on continue, it will give me the warning. What warning it will give me? Either the Microsoft account is not there, even the account is there also. See, it is telling you to log in with the Microsoft account. Again, same mail I will give. Okay, same mail I will give. If you click on the next, see, you can't sign in here with a personal account. You can use the work or school account instead, which means the domain mail. The domain mail you need. So very simple. If you have the domain mail only, you can publish the report. Otherwise, you can't publish. So most of the people, 99.9% of the people won't have the domain mails. Only the company mails we will be having. So we can't use the company mails here, to be frank. I can use my company mail. I publish the report, but it will be noted down in my stats. So we can't use my company mail. So what I'm guiding you is, let's say after if you get the job also, how to publish. Publishing is very easy. Just you need to click this particular project, click on publish. Once publishing, keep your mail ID and click on continue. Simple. So once you do that, your project will be, a link will be given for you. A link will be, Power BI will give you the link. That link, if you copy and if you paste in the internet, your project will be available in online. Simple. Okay. You need to have the domain mail. Without domain mail, we can't do anything. Guys, understood till here? The major project and everything.
Yes, sir.
So once you get the job, you try to publish it. Okay. Domain mails. Simple. Okay. So yeah. So this project I will upload in the drive.
Can we upload this through our college mail?
Call and mail. The college you have the mail. Domain mail is there.
Yes, sir. Your
At the rate
separate
call-
mail ID.
Okay, try it. So if you have the domain mail, it will work.
Okay.
With that particular domain mail, you need to have Microsoft account also. Microsoft
Okay.
365 is there now. That also
Yeah.
we need to have. First, you need to create the Microsoft 365. Then you start publishing.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I will upload this in the drive. Please check it there and do practice. And tomorrow there will be no section due to festival. So next section will be on Wednesday. And Wednesday we will start the Power Query, transform data, how to clean the data using Power Query. We'll see.
So another thing, I had a small doubt. Okay, we can publish through our normal mail IDs through Google accounts also, no, sir?
No. Google account at the rate gmail.com. It is not. It's a common account now. Everyone is using.
Yeah.
Let's say Google. You are using the Google. I am using the Google. The domain mail will be the Google company. Domain mail will be the people who are working in the Google. Let's say if I am working in the Google, my domain mail will be different. Like Kamal at the rate. I think Google. Some will be there here .com. Then on it will be a domain mail. The people who are working in the company. Okay, they are providing like at the rate gmail.com is a common mail which is used by everyone.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Sir, do we
Okay,
need
guys.
to have the Outlook account?
Do we need to have come again?
Outlook account? Outlook
Yeah,
account.
Yes. Microsoft 365 account you need to have. There is no need of creating accounts in the Outlook or Teams or anything. Just with the mail ID, if you have 365, it's fine.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. See you on Wednesday. Okay. I will upload this project in the drive. Please check it there.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.